Have you ever wondered why nature conservation is so important? Welcome back to Ecotourism and Stuff, your ultimate destination for sustainable travel and conservation. Whether you're a returning explorer or new to our community, we're thrilled to have you with us. Join our mission of responsible travel and environmental stewardship by hitting like, subscribing, and sharing. Together, let's explore the wonders of the world while preserving its beauty for generations to come. Did you know that nature conservation isn't just about protecting cute and cuddly animals? It's a dynamic, multifaceted effort that spans ecosystems, communities, and cultures. From the lush savannas of Kruger National Park to the depths of the Indian Ocean, conservation in South Africa is a captivating journey of discovery and dedication. But here's the kicker. Many people don't realize that conservation isn't just about saving species. It's about safeguarding our very way of life. It's about securing clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil for generations to come. It's about empowering communities, fostering sustainable development, and preserving the rich tapestry of life that makes our planet so extraordinary. So, the next time you think about nature conservation, remember, it's not just about saving animals, it's about saving ourselves. Conservation is vital for maintaining the health of our planet and ensuring the well-being of both present and future generations. Here are some key reasons why conservation is important. Biodiversity preservation. Conservation efforts help protect the rich diversity of species on Earth. Every species plays a unique role in its ecosystem, and the loss of one can have cascading effects on others. By conserving habitats and ecosystems, we safeguard biodiversity. Ecosystem services. Natural ecosystems provide a wide range of services essential for human well-being, including clean air and water, pollination, climate regulation, and nutrient cycling. Conservation helps maintain these services, which are crucial for sustaining life. Climate change mitigation. Forests, oceans, and other natural habitats act as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By conserving these habitats, we can help mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and buffering the impacts of climate change. Resource sustainability. Conservation promotes sustainable use of natural resources such as water, timber, and minerals. By managing these resources responsibly, we can ensure their availability for future generations and prevent depletion or degradation. Cultural and spiritual values. Many indigenous cultures have deep connections to the land and its resources, viewing them as integral to their identity and spirituality. Conservation respects and preserves these cultural values, traditions, and knowledge systems. Economic benefits. Conservation supports industries such as ecotourism, sustainable agriculture, and fisheries, which generate revenue and employment opportunities while protecting natural habitats and biodiversity. Human health. Healthy ecosystems contribute to human health by providing food, medicine, and clean air and water. Conservation efforts can help prevent the spread of diseases by preserving natural habitats and reducing human-wildlife conflicts. Ethical responsibility. As stewards of the Earth, we have a moral obligation to protect and preserve its natural heritage for future generations and for the well-being of all life forms.
Thank you for joining us on this eco-adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the message of sustainable travel. Together, let's continue exploring and preserving our planet for generations to come.